Today we are going to talk about the second vocal vital sign, breath support. And we call it breath support because by taking a breath, you support a beautiful singing sound. So when we think about breath for singing, we think that breath is the fuel for sound. So if breath is the fuel, what is the gas tank? Where do we store that breath? If you said in your lungs, you are correct. So you take that breath in and you fill your lungs, and then you use that to support your sound in a healthful way. When we think about the fact that our lungs are the gas tank, that's why our posture is so important. We have to stay lifted so that the gas tank can get as full as possible. You wouldn't want to go to your car and bash in the gas tank and then try to fill it with gas. That's the same as sitting with a slouched posture. You're basically beating up and shrinking your gas tank instead of making it as large as possible. So when you take a breath in, let me ask you this. Should it look like this? I'm full of air. Look at that again. What's one of the big problems with what I just did? There's many, but what's one? Here we go. Watch again. What is the problem with what I just did? Yes, my shoulders were up near my ears. Now, first of all, that takes me out of our good alignment. And then second of all, is this where your lungs are? I hope not. If your lungs are here, we have a big problem. No, your lungs are in your middle here. So that's where the expansion, that's where the movement should happen. We should never see movement in our shoulders when we take a breath. We're going to do some breathing exercises to help us work on the second vocal vital sign, breath support.